Emanuel Theodore Bronner, February 1, 1908, March 7, 1997, was the maker of Dr. Bronner's magic soaps. He used product labels to promote his moral and religious ideas, including a belief in the goodness and unity of humanity. Bronner was born in Heilbronn, Germany, to the Heilbronner family of soap makers. He emigrated to the United States in 1929, dropping Heil from his name because of its associations with Nazism. He became a naturalized citizen of the United States in 1936. As the family was Jewish, he pleaded with his parents to emigrate with him for fear of the then ascendant Nazi party, but they refused. His last contact with his parents was in the form of a censored postcard saying, "You were right. Your loving father." His parents were murdered in the Holocaust. He started his business making products such as Castile soap by hand in his home. The product labels are crowded with statements of Bronner's philosophy, which he called all one God faith, and the moral ABC, both of which he included on the label of every soap bottle he produced. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.